Hello you guys, Hannah here. Welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my boho curls. I think it's really fun, really trendy, and super easy to do. I thought it would be a really fun tutorial to show you guys. So just without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, so my hair is wet. I just freshly washed, shampooed, conditioned, you know, all of that, and then I just brushed it out and parted it where I like to part it. And then before I even start to blow dry, I like to put two products in my hair I am obsessed, absolutely obsessed with. I hope this will focus. I don't know if it will. The It's a 10 Miracle Conditioner, and basically this is pretty expensive when you try to get it at a regular store. Luckily my mom's a hairstylist, so I get it for a lot cheaper. But if you have any like hairstylist connections and could get this for you cheaper, I definitely recommend it, especially for damaged hair. It does wonders. Basically it's just a leave-in conditioner. It's kind of a heat protectant too. It just does so many good things for your hair. You can look it up, but basically I'll just put pretty generous amount in my hand like so, and then I just rub it. That just fell. I just rub it in my hair like so. Okay, so after I put that into my hair, I put the Kenra Platinum Blow Dry Spray, Advanced Dry Thermal Protectant. Basically it's I'll hold it up close. This is again like another salon product. Thank you, mother. I don't know if it's gonna focus. Will you focus? No, it's not gonna focus. Basically it looks like this though. It is supposed to dramatically reduce blow dry time up to 50% and intense thermal protection. Like basically it's like a heat spray, heat protectant. And I just do a few spritz of this, not too much, or else it makes my hair really greasy. And so I put that in. It smells incredible, like the best smell ever, and I think it makes my hair super soft too, which is great. So yeah, I put those two in, and then I'll usually just give it a little comb. Okay, and I don't really blow dry my hair very fancily. That's not even a word, but like you dry it and that's good. But I flip my hair over towards like the very end when my hair is like 90% dry, and I think blow drying the rest of it upside down gives it like a really good volume to it, which is great for these curls. So you'll see that I'm just gonna like kind of quickly speed through how I do it, but I basically just use the Ceramics Extreme by Babyliss Pro blow dryer. This is like the best blow dryer ever. I start off with the diffuser to kind of smooth out my ends, but then I take it off during the last part, and then I just use this basic like wet brush, paddle brush to blow dry it. Before I am like completely done, I quickly put it on the cool setting, and I just do like a really quick like cool shot over everything, and that's gonna give it like really nice volumes. Okay, and so this is what my hair looks like after all the blow drying is done. It's very nice and big and voluminous, and my hair is very damaged if you can't tell, and I think that kind of helps with the like volume in it, which is kind of bad because damage is terrible, but like good because it makes my hair a little bit bigger. So next is the actual curling part, and my favorite, like go-to lifelong favorite curling iron I think will forever be this Hot Tools one. My biggest recommendation is getting a curling iron with a gold plate. This by far I think curls your hair the best. It makes the curl stay like by far the longest. Like, it just really locks in the curl. If you're using one with like a silver plate and you just really don't find that your curls are lasting, like even when you hairspray it like crazy no matter what, and they're not staying, definitely try out a curling iron with a gold plate. I swear it will make like the world of a difference. And also try not to straighten your hair before curling it, because I noticed that too will make your curls fall so fast. So I don't smooth anything out. I find that that curling iron will smooth everything out really nice just by itself. So cut out any smoothing with a flat iron and just go straight to curling. And basically I just divide my hair directly down the middle, and then I'll put this side up with a little clippy. And then because my hair is pretty thin, so I'm usually able to get away with just dividing my hair into 2 sections on the side, and then putting that top section up, and then just working with like 1/4 of my hair at a time. But if you need to make like 3 or even 4 sections, go for it. This is just what I have to do, so yeah. Now to get my curls, basically I start from the back and I move forward, because then you can kind of just like curl it and throw it in the back and you don't really have to worry about it, as opposed to if you have all your curls over here, it's just kind of then hard to get to the back. So I think this is the most efficient way to do it, and I really only take about 1/2 inch to 1 inch thick of a piece, not big but not way too small either. And then I take it and I try to leave like spaces in between each little ringlet. You'll kind of see, oh, this keeps getting stuck, I'm sorry. Kind of wrap it around like so, where it's just very loosely wrapped around the barrel, and you're going to wrap it around like a wand. Hold it for just a few seconds, let it go like this, kind of hold it so it loosens up, and then I just fling it in the back. And then take another section. This lighting's terrible, I'm so sorry you guys, please just make do. So yeah, a section about 1/2 inch to 1 inch, take it, wrap, make sure you leave spaces in between each little ringlet, like decent spaces too. And if your hair is a lot longer than mine, you can easily just, if it takes 2 times around to curl like an entire strand, go for it. Just really, like, the key to this is making sure that you don't just go like this here. Well, bad example. Don't just like wring everything together like that. That's not going to give you the curl that we want. You loosen it up. And then we're all good. And then I have like a little dent right here. I'll usually just kind of flatten it out with my curling iron, and then I'll usually kind of try to make like a little bend in my hair like so, to kind of give it that like whoosh look, you know. And then I usually just scrunch it up a little, and then we're looking good. We're looking good, guys. Okay, I'm gonna just super quickly go do this side, and then I will be back. Okay, so our hair is all curled now. A quick 2 things that I forgot to mention before. This is a 1-inch iron, which I think is key for curls with hair my length. If you have shorter hair, if like it was like to here, I would say maybe go down to a 1/2 inch. If you have hair a lot longer than mine, I would try to probably go 1.5 to 2 inches for a good loose curl. And what was the last thing I forgot to mention? Oh yeah, other thing, I have this all the way up to 430. It makes it go a lot quicker, I think, even though you kind of scald your hair. But like I said, both of the products I use have heat protectant in it, so it kind of helps with the whole fact that it's really, really hot. But yeah, and we're only holding it, I only hold it on my hair for like 4 seconds usually, so it's not terrible. My very last step is I take the Joico Hair Shake. It is a liquid to volume texturizer, so basically you spray it in like a spray and then you kind of like zhuzh it into your hair, and then it like kind of turns into like a powdery feeling, and it just adds like a really nice like voluminous texture to your hair, which I think is kind of key to the whole the boho vibe that we're going for. So yeah, I just kind of zhuzh that in. You don't need a lot at all. And then I just kind of mess it on up. That'll give it the really nice boho messy curl look that I'm obsessed with it. If my hair could look like this like all day, every day, forever, oh my god, I'd be so happy. So yeah, that is how I do my curls. I hope you guys enjoyed or learned something new from this video, and I hope you guys can get some gorgeous curls too. Let me know if you guys tried this tutorial in the comments below. I can't wait to hear from you all, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!